We're out here today at J.C. Whitney. J.C. Whitney invited us down to meet up with Bestop to do some trail to SEMA Prep on this 2004 Jeep LJ Unlimited Rubicon. The Bestop Trek Top series is a frameless soft top series, meaning that there's no more tubes, no more junk inside of it. They're just super simple. The Trektop NX has soft windows, and it's just so incredibly convenient when you want to pull the top down. Quite honestly, the best soft top I've ever used, and the quietest one on the highway, which is a big deal. Thank you very much, Bestop.
I think we did something real nice for your TJ Unlimited. I love working on those, by the way, because there's not too many of them around. And I think we made a great transformation from hard top to soft top, especially with the Trektop NX. It's an awesome product for the TJ.
I'm looking forward to it. I've had it since '04, and I've never had a soft top on it.
Is that right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Well, I think you're going to like what we did with it.
I'm excited. Let's check it out.
Let's go see it. All right, John, here you go.
Wow.
Here's the unit.
Wow. It just clips right in.
Yeah, so this will open up. So you got open air experience anytime you want. The windows come out if you want. The back curtain comes out, so you have a large, it's basically a very large safari bikini all the way over the back seat. So even your rear passengers have shade.
Wow. Just dialed in that longer body on it. It just brought it proportionally with that front end. It's just unreal.
It's exactly what this Jeep needed.
Thing looks awesome. Love it. Great. I really appreciate this. This is great.